Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Android 8. 0 or later, Google app installed and working internet. Now open the Google app, tap More, then Settings, and choose Google Assistant to begin. Grant microphone and location permissions when prompted. This lets Assistant hear you and give contextual answers. Once done, enable voice match if you want hands-free activation. This trains Assistant to recognize your voice. Make sure battery optimization is off for the Google app, so background listening remains active. Next, you customize how Assistant behaves. Open Assistant settings and set language, S, and the Hey Google wake word. This ensures reliable detection. Link accounts, Google account, calendar, music services, and smart home platforms, so Assistant can act on requests. Create or edit routines to bundle commands into one phrase. For example, morning routine turns on lights and reads schedule. Once configured, test simple commands to verify responses and tweak settings. Personalization improves accuracy and usefulness. Finish by testing core tasks. Make a call, start navigation, set timers, and run a routine to confirm end-to-end behavior. If something fails, first check microphone and location permissions, then update the Google app and disable battery optimization for it. If voice recognition still fails, retrain voice match or sign out and back into the Google account to relink services. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot your phone after changes. It clears cached states and often resolves lingering recognition or connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.